all freshers. A warm welcome to all of you. How are you, students? I hope all are well. I am your English madam. In our English, we have semester 1 and semester 2. Already yesterday I posted your syllabus. Today in this class, in this session, I am going to discuss about your syllabus and question paper pattern. Okay guys, let me write it down. Actually, you have 4 lessons in your semester 1 English. Lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3, lesson 4. In each lesson, you are going to have 11 sub-units, 11 subtopics. In all lessons, you are going to have punctuation, pronunciation, vocabulary, grammar, preposition, grammar part, vocabulary, volume orientation, value orientation, soft skills, writing, passages. These are the sub-units. Let me start. First sub-unit of first lesson. Lesson 1. In lesson 1, in lesson 2, in lesson 3, in lesson 4, you are going to have same subtopics. Names of the subtopics are same. First one, first subtopic. It may be a prose part or poetry. Second, pronunciations. You are going to have pronunciations. 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 Third one, grammar part. Fourth subunit, vocabulary. What is the first subtopic? Prose. It may be prose or poetry part. Second subunit of lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3, pronunciation. Same grammar. Third subtopic is grammar. Fourth subtopic is vocabulary part. Fifth subunit, spellings. Sixth subunit, punctuations. Seventh, conversations. Eighth, you are going to have reading passages. Eighth one, reading passages. Ninth, writing. Tenth one, soft skills. 11th one, value orientation. Students, look at these topics. Look at these topics. You are going to have 4 lessons in your semester 1. Lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3, lesson 4. So in each lesson, you are going to have these subtopics. First subtopic, it may be a prose part or a poetry. Second one, pronunciations. Pronunciations. The pronunciations of consonant sounds or vowel sounds. Coming to third one, grammar. You people are very aware of this grammar. You know, nouns, pronouns, verbs, adverbs, adjectives, voices, tenses. You are going to read in this grammar part, in grammar subunit. Fourth one, vocabulary. You know what is vocabulary? You are going to read in vocabulary, prefixes, suffixes. So they are going to come under these vocabularies. Spellings. You know, spellings. Next, punctuations. You are going to read what are punctuations and examples of these punctuations. Seventh subtopic in conversations. In conversations, you are going to introduce yourself, or it's like conversation. You are going to introduce yourself, or you are going to conversation of some topic with others. So such type of topics you are going to discuss in these conversations. Conversation between you and me. It's like a conversations. Coming to reading passages. So in reading passages, you are going to read some passages. They are going to give some Ellamma Katha, some Batakamma Katha. In these reading passages, you need to read the passages about some Million March, maybe Ellamma stories or Batakamma stories, any stories. We are going to discuss under this reading passages. It's the 8th sub-unit. Coming to the 9th part, writing skills. So writing skills are very important. Expansion of any paragraph. Expansion of any paragraph or descriptive writings. Under writings, we are going to discuss about any descriptive writing, any descriptive writings or any sequencing or something in writing skills. When we come across our lessons, you are going to know it deeply about these topics. You are going to know these topics in deep when we go through our lesson wise. Under soft skills, very important soft skills for when you attend any interview, you need to have these soft skills, communication skills, especially English. It's very important. Communications. Everyone should have a communication skills. Next, 11th one is value orientations. Value orientation. This is a new topic, new subtopic. In this semester, you are going to discuss about this value orientation. We are going to discuss about these topics. So, prose and poetry, something prose, there may be any stories. It may be about a happy person, happy people. You have prose part and you have a poetry part. Pronunciations. Third one, grammar. Fourth one, vocabulary. Fifth one, spellings. Sixth, punctuation. Seventh, conversation. Eighth, reading passage. Ninth, writing. 10th, soft skills. 11th, value orientations. These 11 subtopics, subunits are present in each 4 lessons. So coming to your question paper pattern, actually your question paper pattern, 80 marks, total marks, its weightage is 80 marks. 20 marks from your internal assessment marks. They are going to take from your internal assessments. You are going to have internal assignments, internal assessments. They carry 20 marks. In academic wise, in semester wise, you are going to have 80 marks paper. The paper is going to be 80 marks. Part A, part B. In part A section, you are going, part A sections carries 20 marks, whereas part B sections carry 60 marks. 20 plus 60, 80 marks. In part A, total you are going to have 80 marks question paper. 80 marks. You are going to have 80 marks. Part A, you are going to get topics, questions from these 11, from pronunciation to value orientation. Part A, questions of part A, they are going to come from second, pronunciation to value orientation. They are objective oriented questions. Coming to first subtopic, prose or poetry, you are going to have question and answers, that is part B. They are going to give 5 questions. You have internal choice. Totally they are going to give 10 questions. Out of 10, you need to write 5 questions. First subtopic, it's for these subtopics they are going to give in question answers type. Remaining 2nd to 11th, they are objective oriented questions. In part A carries 20 marks, part B carries 60 marks. Total 80 marks question paper. In part A, they are going to give 8 sections are there in part A. In part A, they are going to give 8 sections. In 8, you have choice. 5 into 4. Just you need to write 5 sections out of 8 sections. 5 into 4. In each section, you are going to have 4 questions. In the next session, I'm going to discuss about this question paper pattern clearly. Okay. Bye, students.